Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage button functions on ASUS ROG Chakram. And to do this, first you will need to download Armoury Crate on your PC. You can find the software on their official website. Then click on your mouse right here, choose the ASUS ROG Chakram. Go for the buttons, and here you can choose whichever buttons you like. There's forward, backward, scroll up, scroll click, scroll down, right button. And we can also go for the left side of our mouse so that you can see all of the buttons located on the left side. There's backwards, forward, I think the up and down button as well. And now let's try to adjust the buttons themselves, and I'm gonna go for the forward one and change the mouse function to, for example, Windows shortcut, and then copy. Now I think all of the settings should apply immediately. We don't need to save anything. Let's try to open a document file and see if this works. So I'm gonna put some text, then let me see, I've put it on the forward button and it works as a copy. So when I click on it, it should copy this text, and when I try to paste it, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.